Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Redis Stack for caching and analytics workflows. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Redis Stack, first, ensure that you have Docker installed on your system. Open your terminal or command prompt. Pull the Redis Stack image from Docker Hub with the command docker pull redis/redis stack server. Once the download is complete, create and run a Redis Stack container using the command docker run dp6379:63. Verify that the container is running by executing docker ps in your terminal. You should see the Redis Stack container listed. To connect to your Redis server, you can use the Redis CLI. In a new terminal window, run the command docker exec at container_id redis CLI. Replace container_id with the actual ID of your Redis Stack container. You should now be connected to the Redis server. Next, let's explore the capabilities of Redis Stack for caching. You can set a key value pair by using the command set MyKey hello world. To retrieve the value associated with that key, use get MyKey. You should see hello world returned. Now, let's dive into the analytics workflows. Redis Stack provides enhanced functionalities for time series data. Create a time series with ts.createTemperature. Insert data points into the time series using ts.add temperature *22.5. You can add more data points as needed. To query the data, use the command ts.rangeTemperature. This will return the time series data you've added. You can also use Redis Stack for searching your data more effectively. Create an index with ft.createIDX myIndex on hash prefix 1doc. You can add documents to be indexed using the command hsitdoc1 title Redis tutorial content. Learn about Redis Stack. Search through the indexed documents with ft.searchIDX myIndex Redis. This will return the documents related to your search query. Now that you've successfully installed and explored Redis Stack, you're set to utilize it for caching and analytics. You can stop the Redis container when you're done by running docker stop container_id. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.